was just looking over the airfield, and they got the snow plows out. It was a good ride this morning, except for that gut wrencher there towards the end of the bridge. It's like the pit of my stomach jumped up to the bottom of my rib cage. You got that double gust of wind from two sides. So we'll talk to you later. Alrighty, learning this Kodak. That was kind of a interesting ride this morning. And I pulled in here this morning. This was all covered in snow. So was the bike. I had to scrape snow off it because I didn't put the cover on it. So this should be kind of a messy ride home today. And stay back away from the cars. The wind's blowing all the spray off to the left until I make a corner. Supposed to be 28 tomorrow morning, so I'm hoping that the streets get good and dried up today. Or I could be ice riding in the morning. Still gusty winds. That's good. That'll help it dry shit off. Maybe it'll melt all that shit in the median. Quit running into the street. And I got my feet bagged again. know what it is with these boots. I don't know where it leaks in at, but the toes of my socks get wet, and I haven't quite figured out where it leaks. And it was the same way on it is the same way on my black pair, which is exactly the same boot, just different color. Which I've looked around at upgrades, but I really like these Comp 5s. I really, really like them. They come up high enough that they meet up with my knee pads, knee armor. And when my legs are bent in the riding position, I've got maybe 2 inches exposed of bone, or the leg itself. With the wind at my back, this is let's keep the face shield clean. And it's not working too well. Now for the scary part, getting over the frickin' bridge. A lot better than it was this morning. That wasn't near as bad. A ton of this is melted already. this is what I was saying. The ground isn't frozen yet, so, but it's well on its way with that snow.